Good morning, students. In this class, we will discuss about the qualitative characteristics of accounting informations. In the previous video, we have also learned about some important point regarding the accounting informations. But there are also some important, very most important qualitative characteristics of the accounting. So we will discuss in this chapter one by one the qualitative characteristics of the accounting. So accounting information should be prepared and present in such a way that it is able to depict the clear and orderly view of the business enterprises. So this qualitative characteristics of information, or you can say the attributes of the accounting information, is very necessary from the all aspects of the business management, or for all the aspect of the owners, or for the better management of the accounting. So we will discuss the qualitative characters by one. So the most important characteristics of the accounting information is the reliability. Reliability means मतलब कि अगर हम किसी डॉक्यूमेंट पे या फिर इंफॉर्मेशन पे वी आर गोइंग टू सपोज टू डिपेंड अपॉन, सो द डॉक्यूमेंट शुड बी रिलायबल. रिलायबिलिटी कम्स फ्रॉम द रिलायंस. तो रिलायंस मीन्स कि भरोसा, यानी कि जब हम कोई डॉक्यूमेंट को वेरीफाई कर रहे हैं या फिर उसको यूज़ करने वाले हों, दैट शुड बी रिलायबल. So students, accounting information must be reliable. First of all, our first point is the accounting information must be reliable. अगर रिलायबल अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन जो हम यूज़ करने वाले हैं अगर वो रिलायबल नहीं है, वी कैन नॉट डिपेंड अपॉन, वी कैन नॉट टेक द डिसीजंस ऑन द फ्रॉम द अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन. सो the second one is the accounting information is said to be verifiable if the search information and the verified on the source document such as the cash memo, purchase invoice, sales invoice, and the other agreement property deeds. If you are suppose that business in the business organization various transactions are going on, or various sales, purchase, or day-to-day happening. So how can we say that those sales purchase are true? So only those transactions, if those transactions are supported with some documentary evidence like the cash memo or invoice, sale invoice, purchase invoice, then we can say that this transaction is really real transaction, or the reliable transaction, or that extract the exact information. अगर आप इंफॉर्मेशन अगर हम बात करें किसी डॉक्यूमेंट को अगर आप वेरीफाई कर रहे हो और उसमें अगर आपको रिलेटेड या फिर सपोर्टेड डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं मिलते, सपोज यू आर गोइंग टू परचेज सम रॉ मटेरियल बट यू डोंट हैव एनी वाउचर, एनी बिल of purchasing that materials, you cannot say that the purchase is done. So if there is a supported document behind the purchase or behind any transaction, you can say that the transaction is really happened. So the verifiability characteristics is the very important characteristics for the reliabilities. So the verifiability ensures that the truthfulness of the record. What the verifiability show? That the verifiability show that ensure that the truthfulness of the record transactions which can be independently checked by anyone interested to ascertain the true position. अगर कोई ऑडिटर या फिर कोई बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट को चेक करना चाहता है, इफ़ यू हैव सपोर्टेड डॉक्यूमेंट और if you have the verifiable documents along with the transaction, anyone can verify the transaction by seeing the document that are maintained in the accounting process. So the verifiability is the very important qualitative characteristics. So all the information, all the transactions should be supported with some documentary evidence that so that this transaction is really make on and the really exist in the books of accounts. So the fake entry or the fake transaction cannot be entered in the books of account. So this was the first qualitative characteristics of accounting information. So we will move through the second one, relevance. व्हाट इज़ द रिलेवेंस? रिलेवेंस मतलब कि संबंध, एक दूसरे से रिलेट करना. रिलेवेंस मीन्स रिलेट करना. फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट मस्ट बी रिलेवेंट टू द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द इंटरप्राइजेज. यानी कि जो भी अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन है दैट शुड बी रिलेवेंट टू द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द इंटरप्राइजेज. यानी कि जो भी अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन हम जो प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं अकाउंटिंग, हम लोग वी आर डूइंग अकाउंटिंग, if they are irrelevant we cannot say the accounting information is supposed to be the reliable, or you can say the if it is not reliable, if it is not relevance we cannot say the objective of the business is going to be fulfilled. So the financial statement must be the relevant to the objective of the enterprises. Unnecessary and irrelevant information should not be included in the financial statement. सपोज कि आपको जो अकाउंटिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन आप जो इसमें डाल रहे हैं अननेसेसरी इन्फॉर्मेशन कि हमने कि यानी कि अगर कैश की ट्रांजैक्शन अगर हम डेली 1000 ट्रांजैक्शन या फिर 500 ट्रांजैक्शन कर रहे हैं तो हर एक ट्रांजैक्शन को अगर हम कैश बुक में लिखें या फिर एंट्री करें तो कैश बुक हमारी बहुत ही ह्यूज और फिर बल्कि हो जाएगी. तो उस कंडीशन में क्या हो जाएगा, वो इननेसेसरी या फिर इररिलेवेंट हो जाएगा. यानी कि कैश का आप टोटल ट्रांजैक्शन एक साथ भी तो लिख सकते हैं फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट में, तो वो इररिलेवेंट और इररिलेवेंट information and the unnecessary or irrelevant information should not be included in the financial statement. So this was the relevance. The third one is the understandability. So accounting information should be kept or should be prepared in such a simple way that anyone can understand without having the accounting knowledge. So you can say here the accounting information should be present in such a simple and logical manner they are understood easily by their user or as the investor and the lenders. यानी कि जो भी आप अकाउंटिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो इन एक सिंपल वे में प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए, इन ए लॉजिकल मैनर आपको प्रेजेंट करना है ताकि कोई भी ईजिली उसको अंडरस्टैंड कर सके. ठीक है, वो चाहे इन्वेस्टर हो या फिर लेंडर हो या फिर कोई भी पार्टीज हो. ठीक है, so the person who does not have the knowledge of the accounting terminology should also be able to understand them without much difficulty. यानी कि accounting information should be prepared in such a way the person having not any accounting knowledge or accounting terminology they can easily understand the your accounting data or accounting information.